Justin Cody Worden with Austin American Technology, and I'm here with my newest and my best and the nicest rep in the industry, Mr. Dennison. Don, how you doing today, man?
Great, Justin. Thank you.
Yeah, man, I gotta tell you, this show was awesome.
Excellent.
This was awesome. And if you guys don't know, we're actually sitting here, we're on the floor right now at the Long Island SMTA show. Don's got all of his principals lined all the way up here. I gave him a few extra bucks to make sure I was at the front of the room, but I realized that the entrance actually over there, I'm at the back of the room, Don.
Yeah, true.
It's all right. I'm still new, but
you're still in the main aisle, though.
It is the main aisle. But so, Don, is this your home? You call Long Island home?
I'm from Jersey.
Okay.
So I travel out to Long Island 3 times a week, depending on how busy it is. But yeah, I've been doing this for about 30 years.
So I learned a lot about the ferry. You take the ferry when you come over here, or is that something different?
I love taking the ferry to the baseball games.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, when I have to get here fast, I drive.
Got it. That makes sense. So how long have you been doing this?
I started in 1984. So yeah, it's been a while. I have a lot of good friends out here.
I won't tell you what year I was born, but that's one thing I can tell you. Everyone I met today, they tell me how Don is the nicest guy. But you got a little spunk in you. You got a little edge.
I have a little left.
Yeah, you got a little bit left. But tell me about what's your main territory? Where do you cover?
So my company covers southeastern New York State from Poughkeepsie down here, the 5 boroughs of Manhattan, Long Island, all of New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, out to about Harrisburg, Maryland, Virginia, Delaware.
Oof. You got some work to do, my man.
Yeah, I do have some help, so it's good.
Well, it's one of those things too where, and you've been in the industry long enough, so you've seen the ups and downs, the waves. Maybe it's time to get out of it, maybe it's time to switch something new, but right now that ain't happening. We're getting busier.
It's really busy. It's good.
Yeah, and you really helped spread our brand, Austin American Technology, all over Long Island. I mean, we got to go see some customers yesterday, drive around on the bus with Megan Wendling. I mean, it's weird that is just now something that has come about. I can't believe that hasn't been something that has been brought up in the years past.
No, it's the customers out here are really ready for some new equipment. They've been waiting a long time. COVID was a problem, but now they're ready to buy some new equipment and replace some older stuff. They're very happy with Austin America. You met one of them yesterday, and they're so glad that they got an upgrade finally. So
yeah, I mean, we know you have the best cleaning equipment as a principal with Austin American Technology, but tell me about some of your other principals.
So I handle most of the electronic manufacturing service community out here. We build circuit boards in the industry for military, medical. I handle pick and place equipment, screen printing equipment, reflow ovens, whatever it takes to build a circuit board.
All right, so you're jack of all trades. I mean, I got a problem, I'm coming to Don, he's going to set me up.
Yeah, I'm kind of hands-on too. If customers have an issue, even if it's an older machine, I'll help them keep it running, and hopefully in the long run it turns into a new order eventually.
I noticed that yesterday there was a customer we went to and you disappeared for about 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure I saw you on your hands and knees working on something back there. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you're running your own boards. But Don, it's been a really good pleasure working with you just the last few months, and you've really helped me out a lot. And you and Megan, you guys, the whole team is wonderful. But I got one last question.
Sure.
Yankees going to take it home this year?
I sure hope so. I'm a little worried. This quick turnaround in Houston. We'll see tonight.
All right, Don. I appreciate you, my man. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.